Walking all the way over there. Ooh, yes. And we have arrived. I know, he's falling over. Just went in that sea. Boy, was it cold. But you know, it's part of the experience. Anyway, I got some nice photos, I think, in there as well. So there we go. Let's see what is next in this vlog, shall we? Ooh, yes. So it's now Thursday morning. The weather is pretty still outside currently and wet and damp, so probably going to be quite midgy, but right now I am going to build a Lego set. I'm going to do my Lego time-lapse build, my first Lego time-lapse build of this holiday. I did one in my last holiday vlog. I'm going to do another one here, and this time I am building. I'll flip the camera over and show you guys. It's down here. Pose orange X-Wing from the Rise of Skywalker. I love the look of this one, so looking forward to building it. Let's build the X-Wing. Built my X-Wing, and now I'm back down on the beach, and I'm walking all the way over there, and there might be something that I do with the X-Wing over there very shortly. Ooh, yes. And we have arrived at Dinosaur Island, that's what let's call it. So it's time to take some photos on here. Oh yes, just as the thunderstorm is coming in. Quite literally, I feel like we're in the middle of a thunderstorm. There's the sun above us. There is rain coming in over there. How exciting! Look at the colours in the X-Wing on this rock. The way it's reflected in the sunlight as well. Look at that. is Dinosaur Island behind me, and now going to the very end of Sand Dune Beach, the very end of this long, stretched out beach. So, let's show you guys what's at the very end of this beach. What's past these rocks. And that's the very end of this beach. Usually the tide's a bit more further out, so you can actually, so there's a bit more of a beach there, but as of right now the tide's pretty far in. But that is the very end of this beach. Now I think we're going all the way back to the property. I'm going to build some sandcastles and probably go in the sea. So let's get to doing that, shall we? Let's get back to the cottage. Oh yes. So obviously we're not back at the holiday cottage yet, but still, just look at the sea. I had to get the camera out to video this. I mean, I love the sea when it's like this. It's sort of see-through, but also choppy. I love it when it's like this. Anyway, let's get back to the holiday cottage, which is all the way over there. You can see it in the distance. And we're back up at the house. Whew, there's a view right now. It's one of those days where the weather can't decide what it wants to be. And anyway, we walked all the way from over there, and now all the way over here. I'm gonna go and have a bit of a rest, and I might build some sandcastles in a bit. But for now, that's the end of the walk for this morning. Friday morning, it's our final day. I already watched The Lost World this morning, as you guys just saw, and now I'm on the beach, but it's very still right now. I prefer it when it's windy on the beach. I just think it's more fun, but it's very still. As you see right behind us, you know, the sea and the sky kind of morphing together, the colours. You can't tell where the sea ends and the sky begins and vice versa. And that's how still it is today. Usually you can tell. And that's also with how dull the weather is today. I mean, it's not dull, it's not grey, but at the same time, it's not anything particularly special. There's a bit of sun in the air, a bit of blue sky, you know. But really, at the moment, the weather is just kind of and the day so far is kind of because, well, it's all very still, and I prefer when there's a bit of something in the air. So hopefully there will be as the day goes on. But for now, I'm doing a walk over to Dinosaur Island like I did yesterday, doing the exact same thing again, but there will be a different result this time around. And stay tuned to say on the final part of this holiday vlog. Just look how still everything is today. I'm looking forward to this wind, which is meant to be coming in a bit, but you can't really tell where the sea ends and the sky begins, and vice versa, as I was saying before. That's how still and how, well, nothingy today is so far, which doesn't really make sense. But when you're on holiday, most of the stuff you say doesn't really make sense, so give me some slack. Anyway, continuing on this walk, I'm on Sand Dune Beach right now, the big long beach at Rockley Bay, and there's a breeze in the air. Build the breeze. I want there to be wind. Back on Dinosaur Island for the last time, with me walking across it. I love the way these rocks feels on your feet. I love all of that. Going over to the edge of this island for so now for something completely different, as I've got the remote control dinosaur on this beach. I don't know how it works. The controls correct. Doing a little boogie there, isn't it? Doing a little boogie, yeah. Oh, it's moving. That's doing the moonwalk. Why is it moonwalking? So he does move on the beach. We were hesitant to see if he would, but that's I know, he's falling over. No! Winning about in my hand. Let's put him on the rock and see what happens. Put him on Dinosaur Island. Right. We're putting him on the island. Oh, no. Oh, he's kind of moving. Yeah, it's working. No. Whew, almost dropped him in that. Oh, brilliant. So far, so good. Let's try again. I don't know if it's going to work on here. So we're going to try him on the soft sand, because before he was on wet sand. Over there when the sand's a different colour is wet sand. Here, it's soft sand, just in case you didn't know. Anyway. Right, now he's on soft sand. See if he works. And he's leaving a bit of a trail. Oh, he's falling over. So we got about, what, 3 yards? Maybe not even that.
3 steps.
3 steps. And we're off again. Bum 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 ba-da-dum ba-dum bum bum. Oh, can he get out of the ditch? I don't quite know what he's doing right now. Oh, it's moving again. Well, it's fair to say.
How's it drifting?
Oh, he's falling over again. And that is pretty much me done on Dinosaur Island for this holiday. Feels sad to say goodbye to it, but I know I'll be back. And I know I'll probably do more vlogging here in the future at some point, whenever that'll be. But for now, goodbye to Dinosaur Island. I almost forgot my phone then. Good thing I didn't. Heading back to the cottage now, so let's see what the rest of the day has in store. On our way back, I'm going to wade through this sea. Got speed just on, now going all the way over there, past the headland. So here I am with the sea behind me, and when I flip the camera over, here's the sea that I've just waded through. I've got to wade through the sea over there. That's our beach, which was pointed out earlier in this vlog. That's my beach, which was pointed out earlier in this vlog. That's main beach, and over there is a beach we need to be going to. And right now, I'm standing on top of this uncomfortable rock, taking this video, showing you guys my status on the walk back to the cottage. So I'm going to stop recording because I've got to wade through the sea, which is quite deep, and continue heading back. So there you go. Hey. Hey. Back on the beach, in my wetsuit, with the spade, ready to build a sandcastle on the final day. So let's build that sandcastle, shall we? Oh yes. Didn't get to the pine mountain, but still There's a nice view at dusk. And there's the exact same view the morning after. There's always got to be a morning after. There's always got to be another day. They're not the lyrics, are they? But still, it's the morning after, and it's the morning that we are leaving, that I am leaving this place. At least for now. Anyway guys, that's it for this vlog. I'm recording this now on the morning that we're leaving, so I'm a little sad, you know, but at the same time though, been here for 2 weeks, so I'm fulfilled also. Anyway, yes, that's it for this vlog. Thank you as always for watching this vlog, and if you did enjoy this vlog, don't forget to check out my other vlogs on this channel, because I spend a long time editing these vlogs, so when people check them out, it is very much appreciated. And if you did enjoy this vlog also, don't forget to like and subscribe on this channel so you get updated on when new vlogs are released in the near distant future. But until then, until my next vlog, whatever it will be, thank you so much for watching, as I've already said, and I will see you guys again soon. But bye for now. Bye. Time for wind down. Bye.